In this video, I'll show you how to block a friend on Facebook without permanently removing them from your friends list by using Facebook's privacy and interaction controls. It's important to know that Facebook's actual block feature automatically unfriends the person. If you want to stay friends while limiting their interactions, you can use options like restrict, unfollow, or take a break from their content instead. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the search icon and open your friend's profile. Tap the Friends button to view the available options. If you don't want to see their posts, select Unfollow. If you want to limit what they can see on your profile while remaining friends, choose Edit Friend List and add them to the restricted list if that option is available. You can also adjust the privacy of individual posts by selecting a custom audience before sharing. If you choose to use the block option instead, remember that Facebook will automatically remove the person from your friends list, and you'll need to send a new friend request if you decide to reconnect later. Choose the option that best matches your privacy needs while maintaining the level of connection you want. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.